told her lover she was leaving on a cell phone. No conversation, left a message. She knew he won't be home. From the window flying over was the life she made so real, disappeared. It's alright, it's gonna be okay, though it'll never be the same. She told her story to a stranger in a coffee shop. Leaving later, she felt lighter for the telling of it all. 'Cause there's no danger in the truth revealed to someone you don't know, and you never will. It's alright, it's gonna be okay, though it'll never be the same. The sun will rise, the moon will shine, and the birds will sing your name. She crossed the highway to the ocean, to the water breaking, and took the water in her fingers, let it flow into the sand. There is comfort in the moment, she's drying off her hands. And halfway across the earth, the life she left behind is still inside her. She feels a little smile come into her eyes. Somehow she just knows that it is all right. It's gonna be okay, though it'll never be the same. The sun will rise, the moon will shine, and the birds will sing your name. Somehow she just knows that it is all right. It's gonna be okay, though it'll never be the same. And the sun will rise, and the moon will shine, and the birds will sing your name. The birds will sing